One of the things that I've seen in my experience of guiding companies through incidents is oftentimes you can tell a difference between the attitude of a company that really cares and shows they care versus those who are just going through the motions, checking the boxes, those kind of things. Number one, there are certain basic cyber hygiene fundamentals that everyone should be doing at this point. You know, those are things like, do you have cybersecurity focused policies and procedures? Are you training your workforce on those policies and procedures? Are you training your workforce on phishing, on social engineering, things of that nature? Do you have policies in place regarding password usage, whether it's the new NIST preference for longer passphrases or the older complex passwords or whatever? Are you doing something, right? Do you have multi-factor authentication in place for sensitive access? Are you backing up your data? Being able to demonstrate that you did your best and it wasn't quite good enough is much different from saying, it just wasn't that important. And when you can't demonstrate your efforts, what you're really showing is, to me, to my company, it just wasn't that important. And people aren't sympathetic to that. People are more sympathetic to those that have given their best, even if they've come up short. When you implement the processes, and you start with that risk assessment, you put the program in place, you continuously mature it and test it and evolve it, you're showing you've done the best that you could under the circumstances, or pretty close. And that's where you get to reasonableness. It may not have been 100% right, but it was reasonable.